Happy birthday. No.
Say sorry.
No.
That's a big one. I didn't want to throw it at your face. It would probably hurt. But yeah, didn't I tell you I make a song before?
No.
Yeah, like back in 2020, like when everyone was in like pandemic.
Yeah.
I made a song. I can let you hear it.
I want to hear it now.
What? No.
Sing it.
Sing it.
Did you like write it?
No.
Okay, what song is it?
Okay. Actually, confession, I have multiple songs.
Baby.
Okay.
What are these? I want to see them.
I made them on BandLab.
What's that?
It's a thing you can make music on. I look black.
You are black.
No.
I think he forgets.
Now I know what I'm doing for our wedding. It's gonna be like a little secret surprise that you should forget about soon.
No, why don't you do it for our anniversary in 5 days?
Right. That's too early to make a song, no?
Nuh-uh.
You don't think so?
No. What are you gonna do until then?
People like Taylor Swift doesn't make a song in 5 days. It's not possible.
How the hell you think she be dropping albums?
She drop albums?
Oh my god.
Oh, I don't know.
Constantly.
I don't follow up on Taylor Swift.
I know.
But I think that sledding on the mountain was the most fun I had all day.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the fun part.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, give me a lyric to sing, and I can try to sing it.
What do you mean lyric? Like a word?
Or like from a love song, you know, that you find like kind of cute.
Let's see. There's that one. The song that I sent you the other day, you said it was gloomy. It was the one that was Forever.
Forever. You know, it's so crazy. That's one of my song names. I'm not even joking. Because you know how my name on Instagram is like Forever KG3?
Yeah.
I had a song called Forever, and that's the love song. Because it was like forever.
Why did I guess that?
That's so freaky. Hopefully, on Valentine's Day.
No.
Wait, listen, I'm going to
No.
answer your question.
You need to ask me to be your Valentine.
Can I spend my birthday first?
Oh, right.
Holy shit. But I'll ask you in a good way, in a good romantic way.
Right.
Hopefully you say yeah. If you don't, then you're not going to have a Valentine's.
I would never say no.
I know you won't. But hopefully for Valentine's Day, we can actually like...
Go on a date?
Yeah, and it's not snowing. And we could,
Yeah.